Intelligent charger shock, ABS flame retardant shell, high temperature resistance and firmness, safety of using full package, crocodile clamp, high performance silent fan, charger works continuously without heating, one-click repair function, high and low frequency, pulse repair technology, activate your battery winter, summer mode, charger automatic, identification of outdoor temperature, give you the right voltage for your battery. Winter is plentiful. Summer is not plentiful. Intelligent digital display. It can display current and temperature, remaining voltage and quantity of battery. Check battery status at any time. Simple operation. Full power cutoff. Multiple protection. Let you use at ease. It can be used for motorcycles, automobiles, vans, and all kinds of dry water bottles.